How to place an order in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to add an order in Grubhub, here in this home page, you can see different options. You can explore through different foods or restaurants and select the food that you want to order. Let's say if I want to order from this Maddie's Mini Mart restaurant, I'll tap on it. It'll show me different foods and dishes available in this restaurant. So I'll go through it and select the food that I want. You can simply tap on the food. From here, you can select the quantity of the food that you want. If you want any add-ons with this food, here you can see the add-on option. Tap on it. You can select your preferred add-ons. If you want to add more foods, you can select other foods too. And once you are done, you can see this add to bag option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now these foods has been added to your order list. In order to view your orders, you can see this view order option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now that you're in your order space, you can review your ordered items. If you have any promo codes, you can apply it over here. If you want to add a tip, you can do so at this bottom section. Once you're done with everything, you can tap on this proceed to checkout option. And there you go. That's how you can easily place an order in Grubhub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.